Hey everybody, Arco here. Welcome to the 5th round of the Blizzard's Open Tournament. Playing a Red Sands Fort progressive 70% game with Blizzards, of course. And we unfortunately have two no-shows in the group, so we get to have two bots. The bots act 4th and 5th. The Blizzards, weirdly enough, the Blizzards don't choke up the map too much. Got unstable portals as well. Have to see if this is a bonus game or not. If we're gonna all slowly slowly take a bonus and see what the bots end up doing what they're doing. These are the fullest of settings. Progressive 70 unstable portals. And there's alliances on, so I better make alliances with everybody that's here. And where can we go? Pink might add in here. Potentially take... I think we make a claim for this bonus. And then we'll see if the pink bot rolls out their troops here to make it slightly easier to take this bonus. But alright, so players in the group, we got, first position we got TaLiCxL, apparently a novice. No, he's higher than that. Ourselves, and we got Dignia, Grandmaster, two expert bots, and then finally MrPotterhead, Master. Technically Grandmaster. So that'd be our claim to a bonus. A slow claim to the +3, but here go the bots. Where are they going to add? Red bot adds all up north. And they hit a 2. And that's all they do. Interesting. Okay, pink bot goes for the center. And they roll out the 3. Awesome. Unfortunately, they didn't lose 1 or 2 troops there, so it'll be a 2, but that'll be a start. That'll be a start towards this bonus. Gotta remember this is 70% too, so this game has the potential to end pretty fast. Yeah, Potter has the lines for that bonus, but is bordered by 2 bot stacks. So that'd be a good luck to take that. Alright. I'll hit that. Knock the pink bot out of this area. Move one of the threes back. Let purple move out if they want. Ah, damn it. Oh, well, that flippin' sucks. Okay. How do we... How do we get out of that one? That just screwed up our whole game, and there's no... Man, there's no portal in here. Ah, man. I think we're gonna have to deal with this bot. Because otherwise, it's gonna add to the 5 and hit us. It probably won't pivot out if I hit the 3. Well, we got a gamble on this, I think. That was really unfortunate portal pathing. Ah. Bot rolls 6-5. So we need... to move away from the 5, and hopefully it fortifies to the 3. Yeah, hit a dead end. Fortify to the 3. Good, okay. It's important that we don't open this the following turn. Because then we need the bot to hit somewhere else first. And maybe it's better we stay behind the 7 for right now. Potter's putting a stack beside the pink bot bonus. Oh boy. We have a set. We do not. Yeah, I think we just gotta commit here. Okay, we got a +2 on that stack. And we have the trade if we need it. I don't think we'll need it. These bots are gonna go to war. Dignia's trying to figure out what to do. They're not looking too great either. Alright, here we go. Red bot sets in. This is why we didn't open it back. Where are they pathing? Onto the portal, only losing 2. They take the bonus. Okay, they don't fortify in front of us. Thank goodness. Once again, we can't take the bonus yet. Because the portals are going to close. Okay, yep, there goes Potter's 6. Oh, dear God. Oh my God. Alright, Potter sets in. Oh, the bots both set in. Okay. If Potter is going to try and hold that, he's going to have to break pink as well. Oh my gosh. Ooh, dives into the corner. Unfortunately knocks us out, but that was a good play. Okay. 2 portals on Potter's area. None on us. Okay, everyone's setting in early. We can take the 12. I think we do take the 12 with the +2 here. Alright. Okay, we got the 3v1 splits. And we have to break the bot this way. Now, hopefully this deters the bot away. It'll take this bonus back and then head into purple's 2. That is the hope, to try and get this red bot off my case finally. Okay, Dignia does trade. Lots of early trades here. Ooh, that's everything up there. Alright, here goes red. Into the 2. Has enough to hit the 3 and then the 1. Yep, and it'll sit in front of the 9. That's going to get hit by pink bot. So both, yeah, the pink bot's going to smack that. So both Potter and TaLiCxL have the opportunity to try and take this bot bounty. Potter doesn't really have access. He kind of does. Okay, I need pink to... I don't know what I need pink to do, honestly. Yeah, the 2 being kill guarded in the bottom right is interesting. I don't think TaLiCxL has enough to try and go through all this. Breaks the pink bot. Fair enough. Yeah, 24 to go through 3 5s, or 2 5s, and a 4. Not enough with a trade. So because of that, I think I let the red bot hold the bonus. And then just get my card elsewhere. Roll that out. Unfortunately, we don't get our card. Yeah, we'll just do that. Okay, do we have a set? We do not. Digny, I didn't realize about those connections. Does he try to go for the 4-on-4? Or does he just wait another turn? Now with the red bot getting a +4, it might hit Dignia's 5 if it stacks on the 2. Yeah, 9-on-5, there it is. Lost 3, okay. So 10 troops. This game's gonna end real soon, I bet. Trades are already pretty high. Is 26 enough to kill all of this stuff? Five, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16. Oh, it's so close. I think we gotta try it. Oh, are you fucking... God damn it. Come on. Okay, bad roll on the first 5, but we got that one, so that's a trade-in. For 20, can we get the pink bot? Pink bot has 19 troops, the 2 is behind. I don't think we can. Damn it, there's so many portals here. 31%, nah. I'll do that. Okay, we have the set. So taking a trades in doesn't split back. Oh, that's a mistake. Oh crap! Why did I stack next to pink in case they have a set? Oh, that might suck. I should have put more on the portal then. I forgot that pink has the chance of a trade, and that might be the end of my game. Ooh, slider error. Does take Potter out of there. Alright, well, the game comes down to does pink have a set? Ida Clobber. No. So this means TaLiCx gets the pink kill. Ten goes up. Hopefully it breaks TaLiCx. There we go. Good. Potter sets in. So Potter's gonna take the pink kill. That doesn't set him in turn. Does he have the 70% after? Put it on the portal. Okay. Okay, TaLiCx does trade. Killing either me or Potter will send him in. Is he going after me? It's looking like he's going after me. Shit. I don't know if he can get me with all these splits, actually. It'll be really close. Where are the trades at? 40. Okay, he stopped. There we go. Got the 70. Okay. Oh, so we get first and one because we got the red bot bounty, but not the pink bot bounty. Yeah, and that oops to TaLiCxL wasn't necessarily trying to just psych him out from not going it. I think had he, it was a 35 to take out. Like I think I had 30 something troops there plus a bunch of splits, so it would have been super close. I probably should have been broken at least once, maybe, but yeah. Okay, so despite the red bot getting all up in our bonus, we managed to escape that with a first +1. More than happy with that, given how that was going. So that's the end of the 5th round of the Blizzard's Open Tournament. Round 6 will be sometime next week, depending on the scheduling. GG's once again to all of our opponents. And until next time, everybody, take care and cheers for stopping by.